gik ind under engelsk folkemusik, så kommer det ind. Så kom ligesom en fodboldkamp. Det var Polen mod Irland.
Ja.
Og Polen må være, eller Irland må være nu 4-0. Så kørte de irske tilskuere så synge sammen. Og jeg ved ikke, om der var 30 eller 60.000 irske tilskuere. Det var det her. Det er den sang her.
Ja.
Det var sgu da noget, den kendte jeg slet ikke. Så det viser sig så, det er det tætteste, man kan komme på en national melodi, uden at være det. Det er jo, men det er også blevet et symbol for IRA. Ja. Det er derfor, den sådan lidt feminine. Men det er stadigvæk også en smuk melodi, som Dublin har så sunget og så videre. Hvor de forsøger lidt over det politiske, men det er sådan, det er et symbol, og det er lidt problemet. Ja. Den her Fields of Aspire.
By the lonely prison wall, I watched a young girl going. Might know they are taking you away, for you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young might see them more. Now prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By the lonely harbor wall, she watched the lost star falling. Let the prison ship sail out against the sky. Sure she'll wait and hope and pray for a love in Botany Bay. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By the lonely prison wall, I watched a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the felon and the crown I rebelled, they ran me down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Low lie the fields of Athenry, the ones we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. So lonely round the fields of Athenry. So lonely round the fields of Athenry.
Hvorfor er du det?
Ja, det er godt.